Today we are going to see about the topic called a performative approach to teaching care ethics. The overview of this topic is care as the class experience and the moral education and self-authorship and conclusion. Under care as a performative theory of care implies that ethics cannot remain a conjunctive acceptance and application of abstract moral frameworks but requires attending to the creation and recreation of self and other in the ongoing iterations of caring actions. Care ethics can be defined as the relational approach to morality that values geometric imagination and context over externally imposed rubrics of normative decision making. Care theorists share a resistance to formalic morality, but I take the difference a step further to consider that care is more than a theory of normality. Under the class experience, the point was that we are all unique individuals and yet we share an embodiment which creates at least the potential for shared understanding despite our differences. For behavior, a moral project was one that supported the projects to achieve freedom by others. Contemporary philosophers developed the notion that moral education needs an aesthetic element. Under moral education and self-authorship, caring is viewed as a valuable aspect of society in need of cultivation. Then yes, we do want to help students become more caring too. Perhaps interrelated contemporary movements in higher education reinforce the conclusion, preparing students for democratic citizenship and emphasizing individual self-authorship. Training for democratic citizenship in higher education has received a great deal of attention of late. The democracy project, moral education and self-authorship. Part of this movement involves a strong emphasis of trend-setting differences that separate people in a cosmopolitan society in order to formulate a common cause. The challenge of intersectional difference require new tool and method to engage in deeper understanding between disparate individuals. We can never possess the knowledge of what it is to be under a person, but the hope of the better society resides with the idea that we have adequate imaginative capacity to capture a glimpse and engage a small piece of another experience in order to find a personal connection and perhaps make a common cause, or what Bell Hooks refers to a community of feeling. And the conclusion is a performative care theory with its emphasis on building the skills of caring while recognizing that caring has significant implication is an excellent vehicle for democratic education in a diverse society. For example, hospitality as a performative act of caring for unfamiliar others, again emphasizing the more outcomes of such performance is a means of building an informed and engaged citizenry.